Oh my gosh, I think he's stuck. Oh, he has to back up. You gonna try again? He's got to back up again. Is he gonna try again? Oh, he's got to back up again. Oh, look how strong he is. He can get through all those leaves. What a strong snowplow. Okay, let's go back to the station.
Go back to the station.
Let's go to the station. Come on. You gonna go to the station with me? Mr. Magnet?